As we heard a few hours ago, a deal has been reached on immigration reform. The White House and a bipartisan group of senators have hammered out an agreement to improve border security and provide a path to legal residency for millions of people living illegally in the U.S. But first, the plan has to make it through the Senate. Kay Bailey Hutchison is a Republican senator from Texas, of course, and she's been taking part in these negotiations. Thank you, Senator, for joining us.
Thank you, Monica.
Tell me, are you happy with this agreement, and do you believe it will pass?
I think there are some very good parts of this agreement. I think it is much improved over the bill that came out of the Senate last year. I think there are also some other improvements that need to be made. I think that we need to see the language in the bill, which is not out yet. So I think that people are wanting to see the language before they make final commitments, but certainly I think there was a great effort made.
Senator, the president spoke just over 15 minutes ago. He came out and he praised legislators, and he called this a bill that was without amnesty and without animosity at the same time. Do you agree?
Well, I think that it will be in the definition of amnesty. There will not be a touchback for every person who's here illegally, but if a person wants to be a citizen, there will be a touchback, and I think that that is good. I would hope to strengthen the bill with a touchback for every person who is here illegally in a time frame in which that would be achievable, maybe a 2-year period with the ability to do that. I'd like to see us get on a legalized basis. We need to know who is in our country. We need to secure our borders. That's a good feature of the compromise bill. It will strengthen the security of our borders.
Let me jump in there, Senator. Obviously, being from Texas, that is a prime issue for you. Does this plan do enough to secure the border, in your opinion?
I think it's very strong in border security. I think that part was well done. There will be more Border Patrol agents, 18,000. I think that's important. We need to make sure that where there are fences, and there are fences in the bill, that there is local input where those go so that we can make sure that they are effective and that they are not disruptive of communities. I think there are a lot of fine details in the that have to be looked at, but I think that there are good parts of it, while I think other parts, for instance, the Social Security system, I'm a little concerned about whether the integrity of the Social Security system is going to be taken care of. We need to work on that, but I think it is something that we can work with and try to strengthen.
And do you think this is something that can be done in a timely manner, Senator?
Yes, I do. I think we will have major comprehensive reform, and the way I will judge the bill is whether it is better than the law that we have today. Certainly we need to improve the situation today. We need to know who is in our country, and we need a guest worker program that works, and that will be the final test.
Senator Kay Bailey Hutchison, we appreciate your time today.
Thank you.